So hello everyone, I'm finna show you how I'll be putting my entertainment cart together. So just keep watching. So these little glasses here, I purchased these from the Dollar Tree. So I'll be putting the silverware in those. And these things, these little, I guess little ornament things, that decoration thing, I don't know what you call them. But anyway, I had them in my wedding, so I'll be sending these in it. There. And I put my cork for my wines in here. Just bring some more festivity to the scene. And my little snowman head that I hauled from Fred's. And I made this little flower arrangement here. I just stuck some little glass beads in it. And some little flowers, poinsettia. And I put this boot here. Purchased this boot here from Goodwill. And it'll be holding my little wine utensil things to open wines and whatnot. And some glasses there and decanter right there. Okay. So I'm sorry for marking it away. I'll be adding some water down here. Adding some waters. There we go. There. And hold on one moment. I'll be adding my baskets here, so my guests can feel free to just come pick their different things up. I think I put these up here. Just have to play with it, I don't know, because it's kind of small, so you have to like play with it and see how you would do things. I don't know, but just I'm sorry about that. Stay up there. So I just sit there for right now. It'll probably change once the party gets started. And since my home is in the antler ears, I'm going to add these to it as well. Just slide those in there somewhere. Yep. So that'll be that. And this is my little cheese set here. I haven't took it out, so I'm just going to stick this in here for right now. So when it gets started, and I'll take it. It'll be set up differently. Just showing you what you can do. Put a coin there. And I have some little gift things here. They so cute. So I just have them sitting around different places. And I hauled these from Ross for $3.99. So right now I just have them right now I won't put them on there, but they'll be on there next. And these little coasters here, I'll just put these right here. And guys, that is my entertainment bar cart. So let me know if you like this video, and I'll be showing you more videos like this one. I think it looked festive and pretty. Yeah. Thanks for watching.